Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade minestrone soup. First, gather your fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and zucchini, ensuring they are washed and chopped. Next, choose a small pasta such as ditalini or elbow macaroni, which cooks quickly and blends well. Finally, have your canned diced tomatoes, quality vegetable broth, and your preferred beans like cannellini or kidney beans ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot. Sauté your chopped onions, carrots, and celery for about 5 minutes until they soften and become fragrant. Next, pour in the canned diced tomatoes, vegetable broth, and your favorite Italian herbs, then let it simmer gently for 15 minutes to meld the flavors. Finally, add your chosen beans and pasta, cooking until the pasta is perfectly al dente, usually around 8 to 10 minutes. To enhance the nutritional value and color, stir in fresh spinach or kale during the last 5 minutes of cooking, allowing it to wilt slightly. Taste the soup and adjust the seasoning with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. For a classic finish, garnish each warm bowl with a generous sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves, adding a burst of fresh flavor. Serve your delicious homemade minestrone soup piping hot, perhaps alongside some crusty bread for dipping, making it a truly satisfying meal. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 4 days, perfect for quick lunches. The flavors often deepen overnight, making it even better the next day. And for easy meal prep, check the description for a link to these leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your hearty and wholesome minestrone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.